Hi there. Today we are going to explore pi. First we need to understand unit circle. A unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the origin of the coordinate system. The circumference of the unit circle is 2 pi. We can use methods like the Leibniz formula for pi and the Monte Carlo method to approximate the value of pi and visualize the process. The Leibniz formula for pi is an infinite series given by the Monte Carlo method involves randomly generating points in a square and counting how many fall inside a quarter circle. Pi has a rich history, from ancient mathematicians like Archimedes to modern-day calculations. Pi is an irrational number, meaning its decimal expansion is infinite. Here's a visualization of the first 100 digits of pi. Now we can define pi as the value of pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter.